Here we have the V07 here in Suffolk. Oh, he's got an SD90. There, he's got a mac and cheese on it. Nice! The V07 with an XGP SD90 43 Mac. This is my third. These guys deserve a wave. They had problems with the switch, and the short line company has really helped these guys out. He's got a dash 9 in control. $98.85 is the lead engine with an XGP SD90 43 Mac on the point. Come on, guys. Oh yeah, he's waving. Yeah! Yeah, baby! Bring on that horn! Yeah, baby! Woo! Go in there! Woo! An XGP SD90 43 Max 7303! Yeah! Look at that! Woo! As he will lead the outbound V07. Well, just guys, keep the move on. The only piece of EMD tonight. Refrigerated containers. He's got some produce. Oh, it's a short V07 too. It's a short one. They've cut it short. So it's a short V07 tonight. So only one empty car and the rest full. That's a good V07 to end the night. And YouTubers, here comes the end of the V07. Pretty cool tonight. And here comes the end of it. There's Genstar, a GE Capital company. And he's speeding up. Here comes the end of the V07. Woohoo! Yeah! Woo! Oh man, that was one pretty V07. A Dash 9 and an XGP SD90 43 Mac. This marks my third XGP SD90. And there he goes, and he will proceed north. What a great V07.